Guys, can you believe with just these few lines of code, you can create your own image generating app with just these few lines of code? Let me show you how. First of all, we are going to use Google Colab because it gives us a free machine with a GPU of at least 16 gigabytes, because this is the requirement to generate an image. So how to change? You go here. So you go to change real runtime type and you choose T4. May have already choose, and then you save, and then you run the cell for pip install Ssebowa. Now Ssebowa is a open source Python library that provides generative AI models. So you say pip install Ssebowa, and then you run the cell. For me, I have already done it, so we shall go to the next step. So after installing Ssebowa, we have to import Ssebowa-Imagen from Ssebowa. It's a model that generates images. So you say from Ssebowa, import Ssebowa_Imagen. So I'll run this cell. It takes some few minutes to get it. So it's done. So what we are going to do next, we are going to run the model. So you write model equals Ssebowa_Imagen dot Ssebowa_Imagen, and then you run the model. It takes some time, so we wait a little bit. Yeah, it's done. It's done now. So we are going to generate the image. So you write image equals model dot generate underscore image. You open the brackets, and then in the quotes, now you put which image you want to generate. Let's say we are going to generate an image, a realistic image of Sir Isaac Newton using an iPhone. So we run this cell. It takes just a few seconds. So now it's generating. I'm excited to see Sir Isaac Newton using an iPhone. It's generating. Let's wait and see. Yeah, now it's rendering. We are soon there. So it's done. When you see this tick, it's done. The cell is done to run. So we are going to run another cell with which will show the image. So very soon the image will be out. Guys, this is Sir Isaac Newton with an iPhone. It's fantastic. It's super fantastic. With just few lines of code, I will show you the lines of code we have used. Just very few. Guys, with only these lines of code, now we have an app that can generate images. So guys, try out